How to share your saved post on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, open up your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner, then tap on settings and activity. After that, on the settings and activity, you can see the option of saved. So just tap on saved and here you can see your posts and your audio. So just tap on all posts and here you'll be able to see your reels and your posts that you have saved. Now if you want to share your saved post, what you can do is go to the post and then tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner. Then here you'll be able to see the option of share and link. Now you can tap on copy link and copy the link and send it to different people or your friends via different social media platforms, or you can also tap on share and you can share it from different social media like WhatsApp, Messenger, Snapchat, or any other application, or Reddit as well. Next, what you can do is you can also add it to your story. So you can tap on add note and you can share it on your note as well. After that, you can just go to share and link again, and you can also share it via Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, and then you can add to your Instagram story as well, and you can share on X Twitter as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. See you next time.